Alright, Balian Sasayo, Twin Lakes Natural Park. Caution, slippery when wet. Story of my life. And this, and going down this is great. Coming back up at the end of the adventure is a little rough, but we'll enjoy it while we can. Again, we're looking for monitor lizards and monkeys. Okay, we've apparently found a broom. Can you ride it? Like a witch? There you go. Hi. Somebody left their broom here. Okay. I'll make a good photo. We'll take a photo. I always love these railings they make out of concrete to make it look like wood. Each one's different. I mean, they totally separately handcraft. It's very groovy. Down, down, down. Alright, so when you get down to the bottom, you got these little boats down here that'll row you across. And it looks like that boat's getting loaded up and ready to go. And they take you over there. And sometimes you can see, I don't know, monitor lizards? Not Komodo dragons, but yeah, there's a lot of monitor lizards that sun themselves along the shore here. And I guess you can see those from the boat a lot. I've never seen them though, because I've never taken the boat. I think we're gonna we might take the boat back, but we're gonna walk along the trail, because there's a trail that runs along the shore here. It's actually really nice. Over to there, and there's an observation tower and stuff. So join us, we're gonna go over there. How you holding up, okay? Tired? Just got our water shoes on. Alright, here we go. Working on some more boats over there. It's a boat shop. So this is the start of the trail. It's over there. And there's these little huts. They got water cover because it does rain a lot up here because you're at elevation. And of course, being the Philippines, somebody left their makeup kit. That's okay. So the trail, it's almost a kilometer. It's about 900 meters. And we'll take some videos as we go along there, because whoever built this actually did a fantastic job. It was a lot of work. A lot of work. So the path can be a little challenging in some spaces. But again, they got these concrete rails that look like wood along the side, so it makes your footing a little more secure and your balance a little less precarious. Whee! Yeah, I always recommend at least going out on the trail, come back on the boat. Going two ways can be a little tiring. So this is what I'm talking about when I said the trail is very impressive. These are all giant ass boulders, and you can't get heavy equipment back here. You can't get heavy machinery, backhoes, that type of stuff. So all this stuff was moved by hand. And again, you can see the handrail along the side, because when it rains, it does. These rocks get really slippery because you're up at elevation. And whoever did this, man, that's a legacy. That's a testament to the ingenuity, perseverance, and the power of human motivation, or lowly paid workers working too hard for too little money. But nice. Lovely. Show off. I'll tell you one thing, I just was talking to Lynn. I can see my cardio ever since I quit smoking, because usually on this trail I'll be like gasping for breath right about this part, this section, by now. So if you haven't quit smoking yet, and you want to, try doing the patch and vape method. So far it's worked really well. Alright, so we've gone along our 900 meters. This is where the boats beach themselves. For the people who don't want to take the trail. Now we just got one more climb and we'll be at the top. This is actually like a little ridge right here. And on the other side is another lake and the tower. That's where we're heading. This is a very interesting bug right here. Ah. Nature. Science. Alright, so now we're on our way up to the tower. Alright, last time I was here about a year ago, this whole thing was burnt out. There had been a fire here. And the only thing that was left was the metal frame. You can probably look through my old videos and see that. And they have since rebuilt it. They did a nice job. Some nice texturing here on the columns. Of course, it's the Philippines, so they have lime green paint, because that's very popular here. And now we're gonna go up. And I'm gonna try to get the boat back with them. I don't want to do that trail again. Oh look. Patina. Patina means she's dead now. She's dead. So the second lake, I think they call this Lake Danao. Down there. And we'll swing by there in a little bit. Just take a peek. And somewhere up there is where King Kong lives. You can see the cool clouds coming over there.
You're a white monkey.
Lynn keeps saying I'm a white monkey. It's not right. It's not politically correct, Lynn.
It is.
It's not very appropriate. One more. And I think that you used to be able to rent this out and sleep here overnight. I think that's why it burnt down, because somebody came up here with a stove or something and wasn't paying attention and burnt the thing down. Oh, cattails? That's what it's called? Pussy willows. Oh, I've never seen pussy willows in the Philippines. It's cool. It's very nice. Very nice. Alright, we gotta do pictures now. Because, you know, it's the Philippines. Time for selfies. Ew, get some cool fog, some mist rolling in. So we're gonna go look for gorillas in the mist. Alright, and at the ends, we just came from the tower and you go down this long stone staircase and you come to Lake Danao, the second lake. And it's rather anticlimactic, to say the least. Now this giant log right here actually used to be right here, and it was so you had somewhere to walk out on, and then you could actually swim off it, because there's all kinds of mud and slimy stuff and possible snakes along here. So we're not going to be doing any swimming today. And somebody also said that there's a waterfall somewhere around over there, but we're not going to be searching for that today either. So that's basically Twin Lakes, Lake Balin sa Sayao. It's not super exciting, but it's a nice way to get away. It's cheap. It's only 50 pesos for Filipino, 100 pesos per foreigner. So come up, enjoy the peace, quiet, and if it's not the weekend, the semi-solitude of Twin Lakes Nature Park. And it's cool, so if it's a hot day, it's good to come up here. So on a scale of 1 through 10, how would you rate Twin Lakes? 9. Oh, okay. Probably because that's that Pinoy pride coming through, so everything in the Philippines is great. So that's basically it. Hopefully we're going to go back up. We're going to hook up with that group that's up at the tower right now, and we're going to take the boat back because my legs are already sore and I don't want to take the trail back again. So I am Ned. And together we are Nedlin, and Angel is at home with a pink tail and a broken leg. And we'll see you next time. From Balin sa Sayao. So here's a quick addendum. We weren't able to get on the boat because they didn't have enough life preservers. So we had to walk back along the trail. Started pouring rain, like it's basically doing right now. Lots of wind, it's like a typhoon. And now this last hill, so bad. But we made it, we survived. We got some good exercise. And even though it's raining, cold, when you get to spend the day with somebody you love, doing something fun, it's well worth it. So the addendum over, and we'll see you next time.